Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm so glad you came over to our channel today. And if you are new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Teresa. Okay y'all, today's video is going to be a busy one. I've been busy. I've been to several really good yard sales and I've got some good stuff. So I want to show y'all some things that I'm going to use out of my yard sale finds. I'm going to show you how we can make some patriotic pieces. I'm going to repurpose some, and I'm going to give you some shabby chic farmhouse inspiration and ideas for your home. And also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how Mother Nature came on Saturday. This was on my Instagram, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably didn't see it. We had a microburst, so Mother Nature rearranged my front porch for me. So I'm going to tell you all about that at the end. So I hope y'all love the video, and I hope you get lots of ideas and inspiration. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it, and also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. First thing I'm going to share with y'all is going to be a yard sale haul that I have. Now, yard sale haul videos do not do well on my channel, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to show you item per item, you know, and tell you how much everything costs. But I am going to give y'all an overall view of the things that I got, just a little footage, because y'all will be seeing a lot of these items in my upcoming videos of how I'm going to repurpose them. You know, I'm going to use them in my home and just give you inspiration and ideas of things that you can do to things that you may see if you're out yard selling or estate sales or thrift stores. So it was a very good yard sale. It was a church fundraiser. Those are always, you know, really good organized type yard sales to go to. They had a ton of stuff, and I think I ended up paying $75 for everything I got. Now, this is everything I've kind of spread out on Ben's workbench, but I also have a little bit of footage of some other things, some bigger items that I've got in my little storage shed. So hang on for that. I'm going to show y'all in just a minute some more things that I got, and a couple of things that you're going to see in the video today I got at this yard sale. So this was just a little box of some craft supplies, and I think they charged me $4 for the whole thing. Now I'm in my shed, and look at these cute little rustic farmhouse pieces. And I've got a video that I want to do on that mailbox, so y'all stay tuned for that. I've got a great idea of what we can do, of how we can turn old mailbox into something that would be functional, and we can use it in our home. So I love the little rusted wagon. I got some little shabby chic little children's clothes. We can always use those for fabric and bows, you know, wall sconce. And look at that piano bench. Y'all about died. And I will tell you, that was $5. That little chair back there did not come from the church yard sale, but I did get it at a yard sale not too long ago. So I wanted to show you it because I got a video coming up on that. So lots of videos coming your way. So I just kind of wanted to give y'all a little bit of idea of what I've been doing and where I'm getting my stuff and what kind of stuff you'll be seeing to come. So the first thing we're going to work on is going to be this ornate, it's kind of a 3-tiered metal stand, and it's going to have some little ornate, it's got like little leaves and vines running up it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take that off. I do not want that on there. This is going to be a simple project, but there's so many things you can do with little stands like this. You can use it in your kitchen. You can use it in your bathroom. Yeah, I'm just going to show you a little shabby chic version up in my studio. I'm going to style it and stage it at the end, you know, with some little shabby chic decor. But I got Ben involved again. Of course, you know, a man with some clippers and some tough skin. So you just had to kind of clip it where it was welded, and then it would kind of unwrap. And then after we got it done, we wanted to make sure it was real smooth and there wasn't any kind of like sharp places left. So we just went over it with some sandpaper. And then I'm just going to spray paint it with some Rust-Oleum white spray paint. But this is what it looks like after we got it sanded down, you know, smooth. And then we got that little wire leafy vine taken off. This is what we got to work with. And like I say, I spray painted it white. And at the end, I'm going to style it for you some more, just give you more inspiration and ideas. Now I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to turn this barn wood frame into a patriotic piece. Now I bought this at a barn sale, I don't know, a couple months ago, and I paid $2 for it. I love the rustic look to this. I love the color. How perfect is this for, 4th of July or any patriotic holiday? It's already red and got that, grainy wood texture to it. So I got a glass out of another frame that's 8 by 10 because this frame did not have a piece of glass in it. And you could also just cut a piece of cardboard out if you wanted to. But I just cut a piece of drop cloth that will fit over my mirror. And, I just kind of overlapped it enough to where I won't have a lot of bulk in the back, but just enough that I can pull it over and glue it down on the sides, and I pull it really tight. Now, before you get started, you may want to go ahead and get the iron out or steamer and press your drop cloth. I did not do this because I didn't think about it, but I did press it. Now, after I got on the glass, I was like, well, I want it to be real smooth. So I got my iron out and I pressed it. But you could do this before you get started. So basically, you just want to glue all 4 of your sides down on the back. And like I say, I'm just using some hot glue. And then I'm going to just fit it into that frame when I'm finished putting my stencil on it. And I told y'all I got a really neat pack of stencils. They're very patriotic, and you get a lot of stencils in a pack, and I've got them all linked in my Amazon store under stencils, and I have a huge selection of stencils to choose from, so go check out my Amazon store, and the link will be down below. But I'm going to choose this one. Now, this is a big stencil, so I'm working with an 8 by 10 piece of glass, but I'm just going to let that, that little viney part at the bottom, I want that little part of that wreath, I'm just going to let it run off into the frame. Now I'm using my little stencil brush that I love to use, and I'm using Waverly ink. Now, but I also think a patriotic blue would have been really pretty to do your lettering also. Since my frame's got that little rustic red to it, I think blue would have went well too. And now I'm just, I'm stenciling over my whole stencil. Like I say, I'm going to get part of that wreath at the bottom and just kind of let it run off. And then we're going to, attach it into the frame, and I'm just going to use some hot glue. And then I'm going to show y'all how we can attach just a really cute rustic little messy bow to it. And we'll have a great little piece for, to display, for our patriotic decor. Now, this was a messy bow I made in my previous video, so I'm not going to go into great detail about how to make the crisscross messy bow, but I will attach the link to that video down below. But I'm just taking fabric strips that I've ripped, and like I say, I have more detail on how to make this bow and how I ripped my strips and where I got a lot of my fabrics from down in in that video link in my description box. But you just crisscross them. I tie them in the middle with some, 3 or 4 strands of twine, and then we're gonna you just tighten a knot real secure in the middle, and then we're gonna hot glue it to the frame. Now, to put the 8 by 10 glass, into the frame, I just use a little bit of hot glue to secure it in. But it fit pretty snug. It probably would have fit in there just fine without any glue. But anyway, I didn't want to take any chances, so I added some glue. Now, for your messy bow, you always want to trim it up a little bit, just, and then you just kind of fluff it out. And I love the messy crisscross bows for patriotic decor, especially when we're working with the rustic, more farmhouse look. I think it just gives it just such a great detail. Now I'm going to show y'all watering can. And if y'all followed my channel for a long time or watched, all of my videos each week, you've probably seen this. I did this last summer. I recycled this watering can I picked up at Goodwill for $5. I think this was originally a Target item. Well, I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to show y'all another idea for the other side. I'm not going to re-spray paint it. It's cream color. I thought about spray painting it white, but I like the cream, so I'm going to leave it. And also, when I did the first video on the repurposing of this can, I stained the handles. But I'm going to put one of my favorite stencils on the other side. And I used some burnt umber craft paint, which is brown, because I kind of wanted to bring out that brown that's in my handles, and just to kind of, just kind of go with that brown theme. So now I'm just going to rip up this is I think a little baby outfit that I picked up at a yard sale for $1. Had a cute little shabby chic pattern to it. I'm just kind of ripping it up. We'll tie some on the handle, add some really cute flowers to it. So now I'm going to show y'all a very popular video I did last year, and this was a very popular item, but it's the ribbon and lace flag. Now here I'm going to show you how we can add some ribbons and some lace to a little dowel and make a cute little flag. And I'm going to use the voiceover that I did in my previous video, and I'm going to link the previous video down in my description box, so if you want more detail and there's more patriotic projects in that video, I'm going to link it down below. For this part, it's really easy. Just, you've got your dowel. You want to put your fabric on front of the dowel, hold it down, and then bring these tails around the back, and then you just want to pull them through that loop at the top. And then just pull them through, and then just pull it back. And then that way you've got your loop over, the top part right here. And then just pull it tight, and then just scrunch them together. And I coordinated red, white, red, and then I just used different textures and different kinds of fabrics. You can use lace. You can, just do strips of old fabric. What this is, I just ripped some strips. This is ribbon, Dollar Tree. And then this is just a tea towel. So just get various types of fabric and just start looping them onto your dowel. And I'll do one more. And you just, like I say, put your fabric on the front, hold it with your finger, and then just pull the tails through the back. And it is that easy. And then you just want to make it as big as you want, your flag. And just make it in the shape of a flag. And then you just keep going until you cover up your dowel. And I'll show you what mine looks like. So far. And I went in and added some red and some natural colored raffia because I had some, but that's totally optional. But that just kind of adds another little different texture to it. And this is about 30 strips of raffia and ribbon that I put on mine. Once you get all your ribbons tied onto your dowel, then I took a blue bandana and I just cut a long little square from it, and I just kind of frayed it on the end. It doesn't matter if it's frayed or, that's just personal preference. And then you just want to have it to go right here in this corner. And then we will hot glue it right here, and then we're going to add a bow right here. Okay? Okay, there's nothing like going back in the old archives and pulling out a really favorite, but this one was a favorite project to make, and I even still see people making it now on my Facebook home decor page. It's fun, it's easy, but you can just see I attached a little piece of bandana that I use for my corner. Now you can put this little blue bandana, you put your star little piece in either corner. I put it in that corner, but you can flip it and put it in the definitely the other corner too. So now I'm just going to let y'all see the things I worked on in today's video and let y'all sit back and watch the staging, and I hope you get very inspired, and maybe you may want to make some of these, or you may run across some of these items at some yard sales or thrift stores, and you'll get some ideas of what to do with them.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself
if you like this video so far, I hope you'll hit that like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to. I also want to add here a lot of the decorative items that you see, like the throw, the fur rug, those ruffled pillow covers. All of these are going to be Amazon purchases. They're all linked in my Amazon store if you're interested. Those ruffled pillow covers, I just ordered another set of those, y'all. I love those. They come in different sizes. And also that little pink throw, I've really enjoyed it. I've used it a lot in my bedroom. But go out and check out my Amazon store. I've got a lot of rustic, farmhouse, shabby chic home decor listed.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you. Just wanna hold you. Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. Set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Okay, y'all, now I want to show y'all how Mother Nature rearranged my front porch. Saturday afternoon, we had a microburst here in North Alabama. It came up so fast. 5 minutes before this happened, Ben was actually sitting out on the porch, just relaxing after a hard day out in the yard in the hot sun. It came up that fast. We had a lot of strong winds. We had some hail, and it was blowing things everywhere. We did not have any damage. This looks, I guess, worse than it is. It just blew everything over. It soaked everything. And y'all, this is a roofed in area. You can see how it just drenched. We did get it dried out. We've got it fixed back. But just kind of wanted to bring y'all along and let y'all see what Mother Nature can do in just a matter of minutes. And it did do some damage over on our neighbors. They had a tree fall. It did hit their house, but it just dinged their gutter, luckily. So just wanted to, show y'all a little footage of, of how forceful Mother Nature is. And I guess she just didn't like my porch makeover. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I hope you got lots of inspiration and ideas. And I love taking y'all along as I repurpose items that I find at yard sales and thrift stores. And I hope y'all are getting out this summer and you're finding some good treasures also. I love y'all, and I will see y'all again on Saturday in my next video. Bye, y'all.